Studying is hard, mostly when you don't know how to utilize all of the tools available to you to further improve your studying skills. So, in this video, I'll be sharing how to use technology and some of the things that it offers to help in achieving academic success. As you've probably heard before, time management is one of the greatest skills to have. Using an online calendar, Google Calendar being my personal favorite, not only allows you to never forget about your due dates, your test dates, and etc., but it also helps you make the best use of your time and it increases your productivity. There are many free websites and apps that contain video lectures, notes, and practice problems on various course contents. This can be really helpful when you don't have enough time in class to fully understand course material or simply when you want to study. I use these a lot, and some of my personal favorites are Quizlet, Khan Academy, and Coursera. Not only does keeping electronic notes help organize all of your school materials per subject, topic, and lesson, but it also allows you to put illustrations into your notes, such as images, graphs, and diagrams, which can be extremely helpful. Additionally, using note apps limits your paper use and helps our planet move towards a more sustainable future. My favorite note app is Microsoft OneNote, which is available online as well as in most app stores. I hope that these tips on how to enhance your studying by using technology are helpful, and I wish you good luck.